Hello Co-Erider! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Here's your e-mobility guru, Mr. Boo. So today's video, we have again received another parcel coming from the Spirit Beast. So this is the parts which we ordered from AliExpress. So now we're gonna do some unboxing and let's check it out what's inside. Come and join me, e-scooter riders. Let's go! Okay, so let's start. Oh, carefully cutting it. Okay, so we open already. Let's do so. As you can see, all of this one came from the Spirit Beast. So if you want to buy good accessories, Spirit Beast is the best options. So they're quite a bit expensive, but I mean the quality is quite good. So let's check it out. First one is so the first item is the headlights. It's not actually the headlights, but the lights, LED lights. Wow. See, this is what I want with the Spirit Beast. So as you can see, with all the details, everything is perfect. So I think we should have two of this one. That's one. Yep, so we have two. Okay, second. There you go. So this light comes with the tools and some cable ties here and some strapped wire connectors. Okay, next thing. Okay, next item is our main light, the headlight. So this will be our main headlight. So as you can see, wow, that was nice. It's really cool. So this comes with here a holder, stand holder. So also with the cables and cable ties. Now next item. Okay, so the next item are the accessories. So our designs. This will be put, see, Spirit Beast design. This will be I actually use this one as the covering for my horn. Okay, so it's quite a bit messy if you will show your horn. That's why I took this one to cover it up. These are the side covers. This will be the side coverings for our DIY electric scooter. So here has this thing. So there are two. This is a pair. Oh my. That's also good with the Spirit Beast. It's quite actually durable. So yep. So there you go. So it will be like this one. See? There you go. It's nice. Next up. Oh wow. Okay. So this was actually for this headlight. Yeah, I think that's it. So this will look like this one. So see. So now, wow, that's quite a bit unexpected. So I mean, from the picture, it's quite a bit look like a big one, but one person, I mean, this is actually smaller than I expected to be. So anyway, it's quite good. This will actually be positioned on our side cover. So let me just demonstrate it to you so you will have some idea. So this will be here like that. So we could put some lights on this thing. Okay. Wow, that was nice. Wow. Okay, so this one, this piece is actually, wow, I didn't expect that one. There should be holes on the center, but anyway. So this one will be the holder for our lights. So it will be positioned on the handle, I mean the pole, front pole, and we'll have this one nut on it. So it will hold two lights LED lights. Okay. Okay, for our last item. Wow. Okay. Ay, this is quite a bit small. Yeah. Yeah. So. Okay, so this is actually a pair. Okay, so this one will be positioned like this. So you can either do it like that. So yeah, there you go, like this. So it has, see, so this will be on the front pole, like our design. Okay, so that's what we received, and here's all the things that we received from Spirit Beast. Check it out. Okay, so that's it, Co-Eriders. So that's the parcels that we received. Those are the items. Okay, if you want to check on the where did I bought this thing, link are down below. Okay, so if you have any questions or suggestions, just comment down below. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Click the bell button below so you will always be updated. See you, Co-Eriders.